Microservices architecture. From client to data. Every request starts from a client, a web app in the browser, or a native mobile app. Neither one talks to the services directly. The gateway is the single entry point. It authenticates the request, applies rate limits, and routes it to the right service. The order service owns orders. It creates and updates them in its own database as local transactions. The payment service charges the card and records the transaction, completely isolated from the other services. Inventory reserves stock over gRPC for speed, and emits an event when items are committed. Each service owns its own data store. Nothing shares a database, which keeps the services loosely coupled and independently deployable. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your team, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And consider subscribing. Your support is what motivates me to keep creating more content like this. Thank you for watching.